Have you seen those images doing rounds on social media about the new currency will look like? Well, the central bank wants you to ignore those images. The bank, however, won't give details about when the new currency look will be introduced. The Constitution of 2010 stipulates that a legal tender must not bear the images of a former or sitting presidents, and the central bank had given the estimate of 18 billion shillings as the cost of complying with the law. Last year, the governor told the Senate that it would roll out a new look currency that's in September 2017, but the month is nearly over, but no word from the CBK yet.